Hello there. So in today's video, let's talk about one of the highly anticipated smartwatch of 2022, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It is shaping up to be a pretty exciting wearable with an ultra premium build and the software that makes interaction easier and faster. According to a leak, Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro later this year with titanium build and sapphire glass. Titanium build is nothing new, but very few smartwatches come with it since it carries a hefty price tag. Most common premium materials used are aluminium or stainless steel, which are cheaper than titanium, but they are not as strong or light. This is a major differentiating factor when it comes to watches. Along with the premium build, the Watch 5 Pro is also said to come with sapphire glass. We have seen this on a handful of ultra-premium Wear OS watches and Apple watches. Other than those upgrades, the watch will mostly look the same, maybe thicker since it's gonna incorporate a bigger battery. Also, ICE claims the bezels on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro won't be particularly thin, which hints at a rotating bezel. So now let me tell you a bit more about the battery. It's apparently going to come with a 572 mAh battery. The Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic both top out at 361 mAh. So we are talking a sizable capacity jump of more than 50%. And the new watch will also likely have a military standard 810G rating. What's saddening is that even though it's getting all these upgrades, it will still miss out on body temperature sensor. Neither Samsung nor Apple figured out a way to make it work accurately because the skin temperature changes instantaneously based on the environment. And since a smartwatch cannot detect core body temperature using hardware, the feature is highly dependent on an algorithm that gives exact results. And since they are facing problems with that, it may take some time for this feature to make an appearance. About number of models, Galaxy Club seems to have found codenames and model numbers for the rumored 3 models of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. The Pro is said to have the model number SM-R92X, although there's no information about the size. The smallest of them is said to have the codename Heart-S and the model number SM-R90X. It will reportedly come in 40 and 42 mm sizes, which would essentially make it the replacement for the basic Galaxy Watch 4. The second model is the Heart-L or SM-91X. This will reportedly come in 44 and 46 mm sizes, which would seem to fit as a replacement for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic version. Well, that being said, let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.